Look at that. I love that. That looks so cool. I love that. Oh my gosh. Wow. If you are interested in buying these Morimoto taillights or headlights, be sure to use my affiliate link. I'll put it in the video description. Hey YouTube, Untamed here. So today we are going to be installing some Morimoto taillights on my 2024 Toyota 4Runner TRD Pro. I also purchased some Morimoto headlights, but unfortunately they haven't arrived yet. So we're just going to take care of the taillights today and share that with you guys. So very excited to do it. I've actually never swapped out the taillights before because I've always liked the look of the taillights. The headlights, on the other hand, I always feel like the Morimotos are a huge upgrade, but these taillights, the new V2 Morimotos, I think look exceptional. So stick with me as we put them on the 4Runner. And I'll do a real quick side-by-side as they're sitting right next to each other. Obviously the Morimoto OEM light over here. Kind of show you just the overall feel of the material by comparison to one another. They're both very well built. OEM, Toyota does a great job at building parts and components to last, but just at first feel, this is a little bit heavier. So a little bit more to it perhaps, maybe a little bit thicker plastics used. But I'm just going to show you side by side so you know what you're looking at when you get these turned around. And well, this is an indicator of just how much brighter these Morimotos are comparatively to the OEM stock ones here. These are so much brighter, it's insane. But overall, the feeling is very similar, smooth over here, a little bit more rough to the touch over here. Again, just it does feel a little more chintzy by comparison though. All right, I have one of them on. I'll show you kind of a side-by-side. Here's the OEM, of course, and the Morimoto. So definitely pretty sleek. I love that. So here are just the running lights on it next to stock. And then definitely a more vibrant light to this. Certainly noticeable. I'll back up, show you both. Much more vibrant on that right side. That looks freaking awesome. I love that. Look at that. That is sweet. And then obviously OEM. So much brighter. And let me show you real quick just how simple it is to access the OEM ones and remove them and swap on these new ones. Okay, so right here you have a plastic cover. You can see I already took it off over here too. You have this plastic cover that takes 2 seconds to pop off. You put a flathead over here, pop it up. Then within here we have 2 deep socket 10mm receiving nuts to remove. Okay, so one right there, it needs to be a deep socket just because you can get over this extended piece here, and same goes for up here. You kind of see it right there, another one right there. So you remove those 2 and then that's it. Then you just unclip this, a push clip, you push this right here and it'll pop off real easily. And then you're able to then remove obviously the OEM one, and you just kind of finagle it, move it back and forth a little bit, and it'll pull straight out. And then that is obviously the same exact way you put on these Morimotos. And we got a bugaboo feature! Buggy! Look alive, like a sweet bike. Start by just pulling from the top here just a little bit until you hear a bit of a release. A little more than what I wanted, but just like that. You can look around, make sure you didn't scratch anything, and we are good all the way around. So just that simple to pop it off. Here is the part you need to be careful with. There's a kind of a receiving plastic end here that you wanted to slip right over the top of it. This is where people can mess up and can get this all janky. So you want to make sure it slides just over it as you get on it. So we'll give it a whirl, push the wire through. There you go. And it went over the white piece. You just push straight that way. to make it happen. And overall, it looks really good. So then, once you actually receive or put the receiving nuts on the back end here, it'll tighten it up to the vehicle nicely. And pop these back on. And the other one. And voila, let's check it out. All right, here is the finished product. I think it turned out great. Definitely a more menacing look for sure, and it definitely complements darker colored vehicles well. With this being the underground TRD Pro with already the pre-existing blacked out accents, I think it comes together exceptionally well. Yeah, you guys tell me what you think. That just looks awesome. Super stoked to get the headlights on because I think that's just gonna finish the look entirely. So stay tuned for the headlights. If you are interested in buying these Morimoto taillights or headlights, be sure to use my affiliate link. I'll put it in the video description if you're interested. You know, they always have kind of priority shipping through my link, and they'll always ensure that it is the best deal that is currently active at the time if you use that link below. So let me know what you guys think. Let me turn on the hazards real quick for fun. I love that. That looks so cool. I love that. Show you both. I'm a fan. I am a fan. So I'll show you real quick at nighttime. Here's obviously no brake lights applied. That's with the brake lights on. She'll hit the hazards. Kind of a cool sequence there for the hazards, huh? That's with the reverse lights. Oh my gosh, those are pretty bright. Those are pretty bright. Oh my gosh. Wow. Well, there you have it. That's what nighttime looks like. Alright guys, well, I think I've geeked out plenty. Let me know what your thoughts are. As always, I appreciate you watching. Until next time.